Today, we're diving into a truly mind-boggling concept that's reshaping our understanding of the universe: the movement of galaxies. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and pondered, why are galaxies moving away from each other? Join me as we unravel this cosmic mystery. Now, let's start with a little history. Back in the early 20th century, an astronomer named Edwin Hubble made a groundbreaking discovery. He noticed that galaxies are not only moving, but they're moving away from us. The farther a galaxy is, the faster it seems to be receding. This observation is what we now call Hubble's law. It's fascinating to think the universe is expanding, but what's causing this grand expansion? To understand that, we need to dive a bit deeper. Picture this: around 13.8 billion years ago, everything we know, the stars, galaxies, and even the fabric of space itself, was squished into an incredibly hot, dense point we call the singularity. This explosion, known as the Big Bang, marked the birth of our universe, sending matter and energy sprawling outward. As the universe expanded, it didn't just create space. It also created the gravitational forces that hold galaxies together. Think of it this way: galaxies are riding on the fabric of space-time itself, which is stretching as the universe expands. Now, you might be wondering, but what about gravity? Isn't that pulling galaxies closer together? Great question. While gravity does pull things toward each other, it's not the only player in this cosmic game. In fact, for galaxies that are really far apart, the expansion of the universe overcomes gravitational pull. So here's a thought: if galaxies are moving away from each other now, what will that mean for the long-term future of our universe? Will they drift so far apart that we'll lose sight of them? Some scientists suggest that, if this expansion continues at an accelerated speed, it may lead to a scenario known as the Big Freeze, where galaxies become isolated and the universe grows cold and dark. But fear not, there's still so much we don't fully understand about the cosmos. Knowing that galaxies are moving away from one another not only opens up discussions about our universe's fate, but also highlights just how wondrous and mysterious our existence is within it. Imagine the exploration and potential discoveries that still lie ahead. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember, those galaxies you see aren't just massive collections of stars and planets. They're on a journey, just like us. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic adventure. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the universe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below your thoughts on dark energy and our expanding universe. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring, and keep looking up. But there's an even more mysterious force at play here, known as dark energy. Dark energy makes up about 68% of our universe and is driving this accelerated expansion. Imagine if you had a balloon. As you blow air into it, the rubber stretches, and those little dots on the surface move away from each other. Well, dark energy acts like that air, pushing galaxies apart even faster as time goes on.